Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. I've got 5 firearms laid out here. The Walther PPK is .380 auto. The Glock is a Glock 26 in 9mm. The smaller revolver is a Smith & Wesson 38 Special Victory revolver. My CMP 1911 and 45 ACP and the 44 Magnum is a Super Black Hawk. It's not about the weapons though this time, it's about the ammo. I'm going from smallest to largest caliber, starting with the .380. I want to see how each will take on a coconut. Why a coconut? Well, it has a dense outer shell, soft insides, and of course the milk inside. Nature's ballistic gelatin, kinda. I'm using full metal jacket rounds here, nothing crazy like hollow points or self-defense rounds. So let's go. I'm mostly just loading a couple rounds at a time and adjusting for misses, especially since I'm doing a cold start with this with no warm-up shots. Often called the little brother to the 9mm, the .380 auto is compact and low recoil, popular for pocket pistols and backup guns. After each volley, each weapon fired towards the target, I will go down and examine it and we'll talk about it. The response to the .380 round was actually more impressive than I thought. It could put a pretty good split in it to where you could see the insides. I'm surprised it penetrated at all. Second, the 9mm Luger round. Today's most common handgun round. Fast, efficient, and widely used by militaries, police, and civilians around the world. Similar damage to the target as the .380 auto. A nice split to the side. I'm real surprised to see this kind of damage. Tom Hanks would have loved to be able to do this in the movie Castaway. The coconuts on there really gave him problems. Next, 38 Special, the classic revolver round. Gentle on recoil yet deadly in close quarters. Police carried this one for 70 years. Let's examine the results. Very clean hit. I'm actually impressed. In and out. Entry looks like it was made with a drill. The exit took about 1-inch portion out of the skin. The 45 automatic Colt pistol. A big, slow bullet with a century of service. It's built strictly for knockdown power, not speed. The 45 put an entry and exit hole, but it's apparent the force of the impact also blew out some of the side. I guess the pressure was a little too much for the shell to handle. Made famous by Dirty Harry, the 44 Magnum was once the most powerful handgun round in the world, designed to drop big game, and it shows. Well, not much to say here. That went about as expected, at least what I thought anyhow. It completely destroyed the coconut. Pieces of it are scattered everywhere in the grass. A new exotic food for the bugs here. I'm certain they haven't tasted coconut before. Did any of these surprise you? What should we test next? Drop me a comment below. And if you're interested in getting my free monthly newsletter, be sure to follow the link below and put in your email. Thanks for watching, thanks for coming by, and I'll see you in the next one.